This story is brought to you by the Health and Homeopathy podcast.
I have a great nephew who was 6 at the time, so he's probably nine right now. He had asthma, very severe asthma. So his was so bad that he was on daily meds every single day, 2 or 3 every day. And he visited the hospitals anywhere from 3 to 5 times a year, just a regular patient. So my sister started talking to my niece about it, about homeopathy and what I was doing. And I said, ask her if she wants to try something for her son. And she was game. And she didn't, people don't always read carefully everything I write. On the asthma, it says at the very bottom, caution, caution, caution. If you're on meds, don't just get off of them. You might end up with a boomerang effect, and you'll be in a lot of trouble. Well, that's exactly what she did. She's just started taking her son off of stuff. And he ended up having a very bad incident, got through that. We had a talk. And I thought at that point that she was going to give up because the baby's dad, the boy's dad, was very upset at the whole thing. And so I didn't hear from her for several months. And so I assumed that she had just stopped the protocol. I ended up calling her a few months down the line about something else. And before we hung up, she says, oh, by the way, I keep trying to remember to tell you, his asthma is gone. Done. She had been taken him into the specialist about 2 weeks earlier, and he's running all these tests. You know, they make him breathe hard, work hard, so get their lungs going. And he looks at her and he says, I think your son is cured. And then he goes, he probably outgrew it. It happens. And she just smiled and said, okay, thank you. And went on her merry way. That was a big success because this was a guy that didn't just use an inhaler every now and then. It was his life and the meds and hospitalizations. And he's been completely asthma-free for years now. So his life changed.
Be sure to like and subscribe, and share this story with someone who needs the healing power of homeopathy.